Sonu will bring 80,000 as a capital. So Sonu will bring 80,000 as her capital. The first entries are cash account debited to Sonu's capital account. Sonu will bring 80,000 as her capital. The cash account debited to Sonu's capital account credited. Okay. The first entry is clear. The next one. And 7200 as her share of goodwill in cash. But how many rupees Sonu will bring? It's not given in questions. But look at the third adjustments. Goodwill is to be valued 40,000. When in the questions is given goodwill is valued 40,000, then first you have to find out the new partner's part of goodwill. Goodwill is valued rupees 40,000. From this, we have to find the new ratios are not given on the top, so it is 1:1. New ratios are given here 4:3:3. Now, with the help of that, look at 4:3:3. 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10. That is 4/10, 3/10, and 3/10. Now, what is the Sonu's part? Sonu's part is 3/10. We have to find out the sacrifice ratio first, because when we have to calculate the goodwill, we have to make a sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now, Asta's sacrifice is equal. Old ratio, look at here, 1:1. That is 1/2, 1/2. So 1/2 minus 4/10. Look at here. 10 to the 20. If you understand LCM, then take it LCM. That is better. But if you have confusion, then do the multiplication method. 10 to the 20. Now cross multiplication from 1 to 10. 1 into 10, that is 10. Now 2 4 8. It is 2/20. Ahana's sacrifice is equal to 1/2 minus 3/10. It is 20. 10 ones are 10. 3 twos are 6. It is 4/20. Now, old partner's sacrifice ratio is equal to 2:4, because 2020 is 2:4. 2:4 means it is called 1:2. Now sacrifice ratio is equal to 1:2. Look at here now. Goodwill is to be valued 40,000. First, we have find out the sacrifice ratio. After getting these answers, look at here. When they are given goodwill is valued 40,000 is given in the questions, then we have to find out the new partner's part of goodwill. Which is the new partner? Sonu's. Now first, Sonu's part of goodwill. Sonu's part of goodwill is equal to 40,000 into 3/10. The answer is 12,000. Now Sonu's part of goodwill is 12,000. Now in this, from 12,000, Sonu's part of goodwill is 12,000. From this 12,000, 7200 they will bring as a cash, but 4800 will not bring as a cash. Then what we have to do? When new partners will not bring as a cash, then entries are, look at here. New partner will not bring goodwill as cash. The general entries are new partners account debited, new partners account debited to old partners account credited in sacrifice ratio. New partners account debited to old partners account credited in sacrifice ratio. Clear? Sum number 9, chapter number 5. Okay. Now look at here. 7200 bring as cash. What is the entry of 7200? Sure. 7200, the entries are cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. Premium for goodwill account. 7200. 7200. And next is premium for goodwill account debited to partner's name Astas and Ahanas. Astas account credited and to Ahanas. 7200. In the sacrifice ratios are 1:2. So you have to distribute in 1:2. So when you distribute in 1:2, that is 3, 3, 4, 24, 2, 400 and 4800. This amount bring as a cash. Now will not bring as a cash. So what is the entry? 4800. Amount is new partners account debited. So Sonu's capital account debited to Asthas capital account into Ahana's capital account. 4800 distribute in the ratio of sacrifice 1:2. When you distribute as 1:2, that is 1600. 3 divide 1600. Yes. 4800 divided by 3, that is 1600. 1600 to 1, 600 to 2. Account Astha and Ahana. Astha and Ahana's capital are given. Balance brought down 76,000 and 48,400. Now, workmen compensation fund, but the adjustment is there. Just look at adjustment of workmen compensation fund. Adjustment number 4th one. Claim of the workmen compensation is accepted at rupees 3200. So now, workmen accident compensation fund is actually claim is that 3200. So we have a claim of 3200. Now look at here. What is total amount? Total amount is 4800. From 4800, 3200, just we are given for a claim only. So what is the remaining amount? From 4800 to minus 3200, the remaining amount is 1600, and that you have to distribute among the partner. Workmen accident compensation fund, and the ratios are, old ratios are 1:1. So you have to distribute whatever the remaining amount, that you have to distribute that 1600, it is 800, 800. Like that it is workmen accident compensation fund. The amount is 4800. From this we have a claim amount is 3200. The remaining is 100. That remaining amount you distribute here in the partner's capital account credit side. Now next is investment fluctuation fund. Before to calculate the investment fluctuation fund, just look at the investment entries. What is investment entry? Ahana will take over the investment 19,200. First we have to solve this one. Investment is 20,000. This is the first question. That's why I'm written here for your understanding. Investment 20,000. Actually, any partners are taken this one, so it is not necessary to record in asset side. Taken by partners 20,000 dash. It is not necessary to record in asset side if any partner taken over. Whatever the Ahana will taken over, that an investment is 19,200. So that's why Ahana's account debit side 19,200. Those the partners are receiver, that is debited, and our as investment is gone away, so investment account is credited. The partners capital account debit side to investment account 19,400. Actually the investment is 20,000, but that Ahana will take over at 19,200, so we have a loss of 800 rupees. So now investment fluctuation fund is given. Investment fluctuation fund is given 1,600. Investment fluctuation fund is given 1,600. This is the amount we have to apply for recover the loss. So we have a loss of 800 rupees that we have to recover from 1,600. So now the remaining amount is 800, and that you have to distribute among the partners. Investment fluctuation fund. Investment fluctuation fund. 800 we have to distribute among the partners is 400, 400. Now next is provident fund. No adjustment is there, so write in liability sides. Provident fund 6400. Next is bad debts reserve. Bad debts reserve, when debtors adjustment will come, but nothing is given, so same whatever is given, that amount you write down, that bad debts reserve. It is 8,000. Now next is creditors. Adjustment is there in creditors. Creditors 12,000. And now bills payable. 6,000. The adjustment is given there. Accepted bills payable rupees 2,000, which was drawn by the creditors, not recorded. So creditors is drawn that bills payable, but is not written that. So now we have to minus 2,000, that is bills payable. Bills payable not recorded, and here it is plus 2,000. Bills payable recorded. It is 8,000 now here. Here it is 10,000. So these are the liability sides. If you understand the liability side, how to record this entry, then it is very easy. Now we have to do the entries of asset side. We have to do the entries of asset side. Now first is goodwill. Intangible assets, goodwill. Whatever the intangible assets and fictitious assets are given in the balance sheet, that we have to distribute among the partners capital account debit side, because we have to close the entry. Now goodwill account. Goodwill account 8400 is there. They have to distribute among the partners. Old partner only 1:1. That is 4200. This 4200. Now next is land and building. There is adjustment in land and building. Land and building is 40,000. In land and building, the adjustment is there. Book value of land and building is 20% less than its market value. Book value is 20% less. This is book value. Then it's market value. So it means market value is more than book's value. So just you have to suppose that, suppose market value is 100. Suppose market value is 100. It's a 20% less. Now we have to get the book value. It's 80. So use that. If book value is 80, now the market value is 100. When book value is 80, market value is 100. Now book value is 40,000. What is your market value? So 40,000 into 100 divide by 80. 8 5 is 40. That is 50,000 you are getting. Now market value, how to show it shown in the asset side. 50,000. Now look at here. It is 40. It is 50. It means it is increased. increase 10,000. If assets are increased, it is our profit to write in revaluation account credit side. Land and building account. Now next is machinery 32,000. Any adjustment in machinery? Machinery adjustment, there is no adjustment in machinery, so write in outer column 32,000. Machinery 32,000. After that, investment we are already written there. Debtors 25,200. No adjustments, so write in outer column direct amount. Stock, no adjustments, 14,400, write in outer column. Cash is cash and bank account debit side. Balance brought down, it is 16,000. Assets are always debit balance. Advertisement, companion expenditure. This is fictitious asset, advertisement, companion expenditure. The amount is 3200. You are distributing among the partner 1:1. That is 1600. 1600. Before to do the all the assets, you have to distribute this one also. No problem. It's depend on you. Profit and loss account 4,000. You distribute it is 2,000. 2,000. So advertisement, company expenditure, and profit and loss account we are distributed here. Now assets are over. Now we have to do the adjustment. When we do the adjustments, first 3 adjustment which is related to goodwill, just we are not thinking about it now. We have to think about the 4th one. Claim of the workman accident compensation fund 3200 is okay. It's completed. Ahana will take over the investment. It's also completed. Now the 6th one. Accrued interest on investment 2400 is not recorded. Accrued interest 2400 is not recorded. Accrued interest on investment account, it's our income. So right in credit side is a profit our 2400, and this is another on asset side. Accrued interest on investment 2400. Now next is accrued accepted bill payable 2,000 is recorded, is already completed. 8th one, book value of land and 20% is also completed. 9th one, out of insurance premium paid rupees 4800 for the next year. It's a prepaid insurance premium. It's also a profit of the business. Prepaid insurance premium. $4800. Prepaid insurance premium 4800. Now we have to do the entry of goodwill and cash capital. Sonu will bring rupees 80,000 as his capital. 80,000 as her capital. So 80,000 as her capital. The entries are cash account debited to Sonu's capital account credited. So cash account debited, debit side Sonu's capital account 80,000, and Sonu's capital account credit side, that you write down cash account. You write here in capital in bracket for your understanding, and it's okay. 80,000. Sonu will bring 80,000 rupees as a capital. Now 7200 as her share of goodwill in cash. So 7200. What entry we are written? Just give me the answer of entries. Cash account to premium for goodwill account. The first is cash account debited premium for goodwill account 7200. Next is premium for goodwill account debited to partners capital account credited. Premium for goodwill account 7200. I want amount. Prapti, want give me the amount of 7200. Is it 2400 and 4800? Ratios are 1:2. Ne? Sacrifice ratio is 1:2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2400, 4800. Okay. Now the remaining amount is 4800, right? And 4800, the entries are, just I am write down the entry here. Sonu's capital account debited. This is the important transaction. Sonu's capital account debited 48002. And to Anna's capital account 4800, 1600, then 1:16 and 3200. Okay. Now just do the posting of this. I want posting from your side. Sonu's capital account debited. Sonu's capital account debit side. This is Sonu's capital account debit side. Opposite name is there. 1600 and 3200. Here Asta's capital account. And Ahana's capital account. Clear? Now, Asta's capital and credit side. Asta's capital account credit side. 1600, 3200. Opposite name is there. Sonu's capital account. This is the posting. Last time also we are discussing. Okay, the combined amount we are not recording anywhere. Just we make the part and write down there. Because after this round we have to make the total. Just help me how to do it, the total and everything. 10, 20, here it is. 17,200. Check it all of you. Use calculator and give me the answer. This is profit. Profit transfer to capital account. Now it is capital account. Asthas, Ahnas. Equal ratios are there. 17,200 divided by equal ratio. It is 5 and 3, 6. 8600. Check it, is it right? 8600. Okay. Now that we have to transfer over here, that is revaluation account. Write down profit. Make the total of revaluation account. Now we have to make the total first. Credit side is more. 89800. Now this total are 66,200 and this one is 80,000. So look at here. When you make the total of Astas, the total is 89,800. Ahnas is 66,200 and Sonu's is 80,000. This side is more. So write down this one here. 89,800. 66,200 and this one is 80,000. Now 89,800 minus this one, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 7,800 minus from this is 82,000 because 82 plus 7. Now we have to make the total 94, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,000. You have to minus from this. Get the answer of 39,200. And this one 80,000. 3 plus 1, 4. 4800 to minus from this. 38400. 4800. That is 75,000. So when you have to make the write down the total here, minus from this, Asta's difference is 82,000, Ahana's difference is 39,200, and Sonu's difference is 75,200. That is balance carry forward. Now, whatever balance are there, they have to write down partners capital account. Partners capital account. Asta's, Ahana, and Sonu. 82,000, 39,200, and 75,200. When you make the totaling 0, 0, 4, 9 to 11, 5, 16, and 1 and 9 is 90. 1,96,400. Okay, the balance of partners capital account balance of 82,000, 39,200, and 75,000 we are written here. When you make the total, the answer is 1,96,400. That we are transferred over here. Now capital cash account total 002 7613 81910 1,03,200. Now look at here when we make the total of cash book, cash and bank account debit side total is 1,03,200. That you write over here, and then 1,02,3,200. That you write down as a balance carry forward. And whatever the balance are there, that you write down cash account, cash balance. Otherwise, cash balance, cash account 1,03,200. Now you have to do the final total. Both sides you are getting the same total. Check it that, make it the total. The total will be 2,32,000. Okay. When you have to transfer the cash balance here, 1,03,200. When you do the total of the asset side is 2,32,000 and liability side also 2,30,000. Like that, you have to complete the sum. You will get the 8 marks in your board.